Let me give it to you straight. People keep screaming, AI is taking all the jobs. And you know what? They're right. AI is replacing people, but not the ones using it. It's replacing the lazy ones, the ones waiting for life to change without changing themselves. While most people are scrolling TikTok for entertainment, other people are scrolling it for income. While some people complain AI is scary, others are quietly printing $200, $300, $500 a day using nothing but a laptop and an internet connection. So before you say AI is saturated, ask yourself something. Are you watching the wave or are you riding it? Because I'm about to give you 5 AI hustles people are already cashing out with. And no, these aren't theoretical. These are real numbers by real people doing real work. Let's go. Hustle number 1. AI content flipping. Turn words into cash. Go to Fiverr or Upwork. People are paying $50 to $200 per script, blog post, or social media caption. And most freelancers are using ChatGPT plus Grammarly plus Quillbot to generate everything in minutes. Do the math. 3 scripts a day equals $150. That's $4,500 a month. You can literally start today. You don't need to be a writer. You just need to package AI better than the average person. Hustle number 2. Faceless video machine. Post content, stay anonymous. AI voice plus stock footage plus captions equals viral motivational reels. People are running Instagram pages that make $1,000 plus per month from Reels bonus plus brand deals, and YouTube Shorts channels making $3,000 to $10,000 monthly with faceless compilations. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to be famous. You just need consistency plus captions that hit. Hustle number 3. AI graphic plug. Sell logos, posters, and covers. Stop scrolling Canva. Become the plug. Businesses, content creators, even pastors. Everyone needs flyers, logos, YouTube thumbnails, album covers, and they will pay because they don't know how to design. Use Canva plus Midjourney plus Leonardo AI to deliver insane visuals. Charge $30 to $100 per design and knock them out in minutes. 10 designs a week? That's an extra $400 to $800 just for dragging and dropping. Hustle number 4. AI summary services. Read books for the lazy. This one is stupid simple. People are lazy. They want to learn without reading. Offer book summary packs or podcast digest emails. Use ChatGPT to summarize, clean it up, turn it into PDF cheat sheets, and sell subscriptions. There's already a dude on Gumroad making over $6,000 a month selling 30 book summaries for entrepreneurs. That could be you. You just need to organize information better than others. Hustle number 5. AI personal branding ghost. Write like others, get paid. High-level entrepreneurs, coaches, realtors, they hate writing but love sounding smart online. Offer daily LinkedIn and Twitter posting for busy professionals. Use AI to craft 10 to 15 posts per week and charge $300 to $500 per month per client. Land just 5 clients, and you're sitting on $2,500 monthly recurring income. Now here's the difference between people who win and people who don't. Most people will hear these hustles and do nothing. They'll save this, feel motivated, then go back to scrolling. Winners? They pick one, they launch dirty, and they refine while moving. So I'll leave you with this. Don't wait for the perfect plan. Pick a hustle, start messy, get paid. Because in this AI era, it's not the smartest that win, it's the fastest. And hey, if this lit a fire in you, don't just click away and forget it. Hit subscribe, because I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to make sure you never stay broke again. Like this video if you're done making excuses, drop a comment with the hustle you're starting, and then get off YouTube and go build something. I'll be waiting for your success story.